and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Scotland to hold second referendum on independence from UK in 2023. The Scottish National Party Conference has backed the Scottish Government's plans for the timing of another independence referendum at the earliest possible moment after the COVID-19 crisis. Scotland's First Minister wants second independence referendum. Second Scottish independence referendum to be held by the end of 2023. Referendum to be held at earliest possible moment after the COVID-19 crisis. In a speech delivered to the Scottish National Party (SNP's) Autumn Conference today, Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon announced that her party intends to hold another legal referendum on independence from the United Kingdom. Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon announced that her party intends to hold another legal referendum on independence from the United Kingdom. Sturgeon said that the second Scottish independence referendum will be held by the end of 2023 if the COVID-19 pandemic is under control, and asked the British government to agree to it, in the spirit of cooperation. According to Sturgeon, the people in Scotland elected a new Scottish Parliament in May, which has a clear and substantial majority in favour of an independence referendum. As we emerge from the pandemic, decisions fall to be made that will shape Scotland for decades to come. So we must decide. Who should be making those decisions, people here in Scotland or governments we don't vote for at Westminster? That is the choice we intend to offer the Scottish people in a legal referendum within this term of Parliament, COVID permitting, by the end of 2023, she said in the speech. Sturgeon added that it is not up to a Westminster government which has just 6 MPs in Scotland to decide our future without the consent of the people who live here. Sturgeon said she wouldn't set a precise level of infection for when a vote could happen, but you would want to see the COVID situation under control. The Scottish National Party Conference has backed the Scottish Government's plans for the timing of another independence referendum at the earliest possible moment after the COVID-19 crisis. The party said the date should be determined by data-driven criteria about when the public health crisis is over. A Scottish independence referendum was held in 2014, when 55% voters backed staying in Britain. Soon after Sturgeon's party secured the fourth consecutive victory in the Scottish parliamentary election in May, she pledged to push for a second independence referendum when the pandemic crisis has passed. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has previously said he will not approve a second independence referendum.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.